What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you the exhaust on my E46 M3. After being made fun of so much, I finally changed my exhaust tips. This is a Status Gruppe Section 3 SCZA. It's also paired with a Beamer World or MagnaFlow dual resonated Section 1. It's a fully stainless steel exhaust. It's 35 pounds, which is a lot lighter than the OEM Section 3, which is 59 pounds. But enough of me talking. Here's some clips. So we threw on the muffler and we still have some adjusting to do. The tips are adjustable, so that's gonna help us get the fitment we want. My thoughts on the exhaust. I really like it. I wanted loud. This is not the loudest exhaust. So if you want really loud just from a Section 3, this is probably not it. It muffles a lot of sound. There's no drone at all, and it's the perfect tone. I can start my car up in the morning without my neighbors hating me. But when I want to get on it, it's significantly louder. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite Section 3? Do you guys like this one? Do you like the rasp? Let us know. We'll see you in the next one.
Have life.
Out!
Don't forget
To like, share, and subscribe.